Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. We got a package. I'm so excited. Yes, it's already been open. I opened it because I wasn't paying attention to what it was, and I got a bunch of boxes in the mail, but I haven't messed with anything inside of here. This is from the Hook Nook. I am so excited. We've got a couple things of yarn in here. We've got some accessories. I think there's some hooks, and I don't remember what I ordered, but there's a bunch of stuff in here. I'm so excited about it. So let's open it up and check it all out and see what we think. Hi friends, real quick, if you guys want to find out how to join the coolest crochet community on the internet, make sure you check out the link in the description below, and I cannot wait to see you in the community. Alright, so we got our package in from the Hook Nook, so I had like marked off my address and stuff. I wasn't even paying attention, I just opened this box because I was like, yay, package! And with the pandemic, I've been ordering a lot of stuff on Amazon, so please forgive me for already opening it. I didn't go through it yet, I just took out the like the packing slip that had like my address and stuff on it. But yeah, so here is our box. Let's open it up. Like I said, I haven't like touched anything yet. I just wanted to see, like, to grab the packing label off the top of it. But this, oh my goodness gracious, my oh my. I forgot what I ordered, so we're just gonna pretend that I knew what I got. So oh my gosh, this is so soft. Okay, this is her small stuff yarn. This is a 3 DK weight yarn. This is in pink peony. Let's see if I can get it to focus. This is so pretty. Like, so pretty. This is done by American Craft, so this is pretty cool how this is done. It's 100% acrylic. Look at that. 273 yards. But that color though. Oh my gosh. I love this. Okay. So then we oh wow. So we have main squeeze. This is beautiful. Look at the twist on this. This is in the color Marigold Field. So this is her worsted weight. This is her, like, the main worsted weight yarn. Also 100% acrylic. I love this. Oh, I love this color. I'm gonna need to get a couple more of these. This is 175 yards for this one. Oh, this is her yummy yarn. Oh, this is a bulky 5 weight. This is so squishy. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see. This is in the color Dusty Rose, so it's got like these pretty pinks and like the little flecks of the tweed in it. This is 77% acrylic, 20% wool, 3% viscose. This is hand wash with this one, but look at how darling this is. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, look at this. It's like a little pin, a little T. Oh, a sticker from her. All right, and then I got a 6mm crochet hook. 5 is like my main size, so I wanted to get a 6. Let's see if I can get this open. Oh, this is beautiful. It's like a light blue color. It's clear, it's acrylic. The only thing I see being an issue, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, is it's a little rough right in there. It's a little, like, almost scratched up in there. Yeah, you can see it right there. So I don't know if that's gonna snag on the yarn. We'll have to test it out. And then this is, I think this is all, there's some little confettis in here. All right, so this is the baby that I was looking forward to the most. So this is an end weaver. I've never used one of these before, but it's so pretty that I had to get it. Let's open this up and see. And I keep seeing all these awesome reviews on the end weaver, like it's their favorite tool that they've gotten from here, yada yada yada. So I had to add that to my list. All right, so this is, let's see if we can get that. This does have some scratches on it. I have no idea how this works, so we're gonna have to figure it out together. But it's really pretty, other than like the little scratches on there. So I'm not sure if I like slide it in there to grab the yarn and then this like closes as I pull it through. I don't know. I don't know yet. We'll have to figure it out. But it's really pretty, so I do really like this. So far the yarns are my favorite. And then we will test out the hook and the end weaver in just a second. So I'm going to get these ready. We're gonna swatch probably the main squeeze up and then see how this little doodad works. All right, so I started doing my chain and I'm using the 6mm hook. The yarn label recommends a 5.5, but I'm gonna do a 6 because I wanna test out her hook. It does grab where this little scratch is. And I love this yarn. The only problem is it does like kind of come apart. So yeah, I'm not sure. It is snagging it just a little bit. It probably won't be bad. I'll probably take like a little piece of sandpaper to it and like smooth that out. That's no big deal. Yeah, it's not snagging it super bad. I can just feel it in the hook when I do that. But the hook itself feels great. Like this hook feels awesome. Feels good in my hand. It's not too heavy. All right, so we just did a little tiny swatch of it. It's probably not gonna be enough to see what it looks like finished, but I wanna test it out anyway. Alright, so I have no idea how to use this. So just like that. But then it doesn't feel like it's very secure. Okay, so you just like kind of go in like you normally would and then loop it around and then pull the yarn through. Okay. Can you like, what is this part for? I don't know what this is for. Is it supposed to be the other way? I don't know. I mean, it's way easier than using a needle. So yeah, there's no instructions with it. Maybe there should be. I don't know. Oh wait, there is. Okay, so yeah, I was doing it right. Okay, so you're just supposed to like go in like you're kind of sewing like that, and then you just grab the yarn with it and then pull it back through. But because this yarn splits a little bit, it's not. I'm also not 100% sure what the little flippy dude thing is. So I'm supposed to like grab the yarn, flip the doodad up. Doesn't stay though. Oh, but it does make that a lot easier. Okay, deal. We did it. I just didn't realize there was instructions on the side. They're very hard to see. So that was my fault. But no, that works awesome. We are smart. We figured it out. So this is really cool. Like, I like the yarn. I think it's really beautiful. It's a gorgeous color. The crochet hook's fine. I'll just have to sand down that little spot right there just so it is a little bit smoother. This little bugger is super interesting. I love this. I think it would be great, especially with like the thicker yarn, because it like still holds the thicker yarn. And instead of having to use a tapestry needle or something to weave in these ends, this would make it way easier. So all around, I love this stuff. I'm probably gonna order more of it just because I love the colors. I love Jessica. She's super, super sweet. Just a couple little issues, but nothing super major. So I would recommend them. Like I said, this, you can kind of see it right here. The yarn does slightly separate a little bit. It's not like spun super tight together. You can see it right here, but that's fine. Like a lot of yarns do that, so it's not anything out of the ordinary. It does have a little bit of splitting, so just make sure you're watching that and you're using the right size tension and you're paying attention to your stitches. No big deal. This one doesn't look like it'll do that too bad. This one won't because of how it's wound. But no, I'm excited. I love these. I think they're gorgeous. So if you guys have used any of the Hook Nook stuff, let me know in the comments below. I'd really like to see your thoughts on it too. This little doodad is just so interesting to me. I would have never thought of something like this. I love that. A little sad about the scratches, but like I said, that's total. It doesn't affect it any. My hand is there anyway, so you can't really see it, but I love this. I think it's super cute. I would recommend it because it makes life easier. I wonder if it's supposed to like stay up there a little bit better because it kind of just wiggles. Maybe not. Maybe that's the point of it. Maybe it's just because I don't know what I'm doing with this really yet. So just leave any notes in the comments below on what else you'd like to see or if you've used any of these products yourself, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!